Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Openshot tutorial how to add text. So as example, I will import file and then I will use this video. You can see we have the video and then you can move into track. The next to add text, you can go to title menu, click on title, and then you can see we have this title dialog box. You can see a lot of option to use the text. Okay, I will use this for default text. I will change for the text color. You can set like into yellow color. And then this is for the font, text font. I will use this option. The next, you can change for background color in here. And if you done, you can click save. Now you can go to image tabs and you can see we have this title. You can click, hold, and then drag into track. So it will be show the text into your video. You can move into another area or you can resize by clicking at this point. Okay, that's it for a basic Openshot tutorial how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.